In a universe threatened by illness, disease, and dangerous medical myths, a team of heroes rises. Doctor, nurse, and health enthusiast united by one mission: to protect lives, fight misinformation, and build a world of health, peace, and abundant well-being. They are the HealthVengers. Meet Dr. Health, also known as Dr. Shea, an elite specialist in intensive care, lung cancer, pneumology, sleep medicine, and internal medicine. A relentless disease fighter, sworn to protect humanity from illness and the shadows of misinformation. Then there's Nurse Vivian, disciplined, determined, and with a heart as big as her caffeine addiction. She helps everyone, whether you ask for it or not. A guardian of wellness and the sharpest shot in the team. Next up, QQ, a high school teenager, novels and animal lover, and seeker of universal truths. Fierce on the tennis court, curious in the lab, and always ready to question the myths that threaten life across the galaxy. And meet Gabby, fitness fanatic, science prodigy, and myth-busting machine. Not only is he a fierce competitor on the tennis court, but he is also a relentless health investigator. Brains, brawn, and blistering reflexes. He's the team's tactical genius. Together, they are the HealthVengers, defenders of truth, fighters against disease, and champions of well-being across the Milky Way. The HealthVengers, assembling for a healthier, smarter universe. Subscribe now and join the mission